Aristotle, or for that matter Socrates, would never imagine in their wildest thoughts that the culture and places they lived in will not only be remembered but also celebrated about 2,500 years later in a country called America. And if you want to know more details, I mean in Binford Elementary, 6th grade, Bloomington, Indiana, on October 4th, year 2013. Parents, teachers, and students were all on a mission of bringing the spirit of ancient Greece in our modern time, or in plain language, to eat food and feel the history. We did all stuff that passionate students of social studies do in their Greek days. Made Olympics, ate Greek food, olives and olive oil were not as much enjoyed as delicious gyros, performed drama, reenacted negotiations and plots for war. We even had our social services teacher, also known as that obedience guy, barge into our fest and yell, "Greeks, this will be your last meal!" and show how he, King Darius of Persia, was a formidable enemy of Greece. I wonder if kids in the year 4500, in some part of Earth or another planet, would have American Day, with music, competition, dance, and food. But I had better stop here and stay on topic. Just because I mentioned Aristotle and Socrates at the beginning does not mean that I am smart enough to make predictions. Greek Day was a fun ride. I hope that all other events and celebrations on our educational journey will be as fun as it was.